Hi, this is Mahi coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Wednesday, April 27th, 2016. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 42 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 54 and a low of 43 with cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Brendan, Evan, Jacob, Violet, Shristi.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Cubs won against the Milwaukee Brewers with a score of 4-3. The White Sox won against the Toronto Blue Jays with a score of 10-0. There are no clubs meeting today. Yesterday, after school, fun was had by all who came to play second grade soccer outside on the Hoover field. Tonight, come to Keller to hear the 5th and 6th grade band concert from 7 to 8 o'clock. Now a message from Mr. Schmelzer.
Thank you, Mahi. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. Happy Wednesday. We have some special guests here. More golden ticket winners. What classrooms do we have represented?
107.
107. Tell the camera, what room?
107.
And?
121.
And what are we working on this month?
Hallway behavior.
That's right, hallway behavior, specifically as a classroom, right? All right, why don't you go ahead and step off because we've got more classrooms coming on. Come on over. I think we've got 2 more classrooms represented. Don't be shy. Squeeze on in. All right. So which other classrooms do we have? Scoot on over.
112.
112, and I'm not sure if we can see you back here. There he is. There we go. What other classrooms?
213.
213, and again, they've earned their golden ticket because they've been working as a classroom on their hallway transitions and behavior. So great job, everybody. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right. Everybody keep up the great work. Remember, we've still got about another week left, not even a week left in this month, so there's still time to earn your golden ticket for our PBIS celebration. Just a reminder that tonight we have 5th and 6th grade band concert at Keller. That should be exciting. Any other announcements you need made? I think that's it. Everybody have a great day, or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Schmelzer.
You're welcome, Mahi.
Here's today's interesting fact. Did you know they have orange races in Totnes, England? The race is in commemoration of Sir Francis Drake, an English sea captain from the 1500s. Legend has it that Sir Francis Drake dropped his basket of oranges and the locals chased them down the street. Today, during these races, competitors kick their fruit along the quarter-mile course. They can pick it up or carry it. They can't pick it up or carry it. At least part of the orange must be intact by the finish. That's all for today. This week's pictures and sign-offs are brought to you by the Kinders in room 110. Make it a wonderful Wednesday.